Hey guys, I'm showing you this Dream Logix contour natural latex pillow. This is a medium soft curved pillow for sleeping. Side and back sleepers, natural cotton cover for the spine and cervical support. So as you can see, this comes in a nice box. This is the nice cover for this. This is a cloth cover. So I will just take this out from it, and it will take some time to just get into the shape. And as you can see, like, it quickly came into the shape, and there is this is the latex and the medium soft. So it's very nice latex body, and it's not a memory foam, it's just a latex. As you can see, this is flexible, can turn, and all these features. So this have this curve for the neck and the spine support, which is really nice. And this is a natural latex, so it's a soft cotton cover on top. So this is a standard size. And as you can see, this have a two pillowcase here. So one is on the top, one is down there. So this is the latex inside. So medium soft, as I already mentioned it to you. So this is, as I told you, is a nice for the support, and soft as well.